Hello, everyone. Chelsea Duncan here, and I'm a physical therapist at Re+active Physical Therapy. For those of you who don't know me, I've been on a bunch of these videos for Re+active before, but if we've never met, it's wonderful to meet you. We at Re+active have a mission. Our mission is to help people with neurologic diagnoses who feel stuck and tired, restore their movement, confidence, and strength through brain-changing exercise and therapy. So, have you just been diagnosed with Parkinson's or know somebody who's just been diagnosed with Parkinson's? Well, today's video is for you. As I sat down to prepare for this video, I had a whole list of things that I would want somebody with Parkinson's disease to know at initial diagnosis. But I thought it would be more powerful to talk with some of my clients and ask them, what would you wish you would have known when you were initially diagnosed? What would have made that initial diagnosis a little bit easier? And their stories have been incredible. I want to share the recommendations of one of my clients in particular because it is so powerful and it's way more powerful than anything I could ever recommend. I completely agree with everything she said. So here goes. Here's her recommendations for what she wished she would have known when she was first diagnosed. So this client was diagnosed on April 10th, 2015. And here are the things she would like you to know and she wished she would have known to prepare herself for the journey ahead. So while Parkinson's is a life-altering diagnosis, Parkinson's disease is manageable. Don't be afraid to tell your colleagues and friends. You'll find that people are much more compassionate and supportive than you anticipated. Ask questions at your neurologists and be cautious about the websites you read. Go to credible websites like the Michael J. Fox Foundation and the Parkinson's Foundation and ask your doctors about other things you might be taking, like supplements, especially before you take them, in case they might interfere with your Parkinson's medication. She says, don't fear the medicine. It does have side effects, but it allows you to exercise and move better. Build exercise into your daily routine. You will want to give in to the fatigue, but even 10 minutes of exercise can increase your energy. Get a referral to PT and get started on exercise. Find group exercise classes for people with Parkinson's. Embrace short naps. Both the disease and the medications may make you tired. I didn't tell her to say any of this. Okay, let's continue. She says, schedule activities that are troublesome around your medications. Things like grocery shopping and chopping vegetables and shaving your legs can be challenging when your medications have worn off. Give yourself extra time in the shower and getting dressed. Socks, bras, long sleeves can be troublemakers sometimes with Parkinson's. Find the humor in things. I love this one. One time I realized I was halfway through the day and my underwear was inside out. And I had to just laugh because who would know if once it's on, it's staying on, inside or not. Learn that sometimes you need to be selfish and put yourself first. There may be an initial grieving process once you are diagnosed, and it's okay to feel sad, but don't let that dominate your life for too long. She said she scheduled times where she allowed herself to feel sad. She gave herself 1 day a week and she was permitted. She said, this may be silly, but it really worked for me, and that I hope these can help you. So there you have it. I couldn't agree more with these recommendations, and these are from somebody who was diagnosed quite early in her life, and it was a very life-altering diagnosis. So a Parkinson's diagnosis can feel like the rug has been pulled out from underneath you, but you are not alone. If you have been recently diagnosed with Parkinson's disease and you're in the Los Angeles area, we are having a Parkinson's disease workshop on October 27th at our Torrance location. This free workshop is sponsored by the Parkinson's Foundation, and is specifically for people with Parkinson's who are not currently plugged into our exercise classes, our personal training, or our yoga therapy options. We will have expert speakers, fun exercises, prizes, and more. So come learn how you can take control of your life with Parkinson's. And the client who wrote these amazing recommendations will actually be at the event helping us out. So you can ask her any of your questions. She said she'd be happy to help anybody who has questions. So if you're interested in attending our Parkinson's workshop, head over to www.reactivept.com/workshops, and that's workshops with an S, to reserve your spot now because space is limited. Thank you so much for joining me today, and stay tuned for more stories this month and tips from people with Parkinson's as well as neurologic specialists. Be sure to like this video if you're watching it on Facebook and share it with your friends. You never know whose day you could change. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Bye.